Hi, this is Alexis Powell Freeman. I'm just gonna go through all my elements to test that they work. So we'll start with the first one. There it is. I'm gonna go back to see that everything that I wanted it to change changed. I'm pretty sure this one is in 7 because I've ran it 7 times. So I'm gonna have to change the ID to 7. There it is. Third one. Oh, wait. Yeah. Not sure what it said that there were 0 affected. Okay, there it is. I made the change. And now there's more things that it said here. And I actually took a screenshot so I could add the rest. So I'm gonna find that screenshot and just add what needs to be added. Here it is. I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, now that I have edited it to what it's supposed to say, I'm gonna click on go. Now if we go to 15, it's right there. Okay, now this one. This is kind of difficult because I had to run them once to test them that they're working, and then some things went wrong and I had to like redo it because it doesn't go back to the first state that it was. So it's been a little, okay, so this one is gonna delete 7. Okay, 1 row affected. So now we go to inventory. 7 is not there. I'm pretty sure it did all the changes that it needed to. So this is it. Oh, and then also the 500 page. So let's see, here it is. So if we go to connections and open the browser, it says, hey, I worked. And let's say if we change something, hit save and run it again, it shows the error. So there it is. I'm just gonna change it back. Okay, so there it is. There's my video with my demo for the enhancement 2. I'm pretty sure it's 2. Thank you.